Hello, Catherine. Hello, Mikay. Good morning. Uy, Mikay, pinadala na yung box. Abangan mo yung box. Mikay, pinadala na. Baka first week ng January. Oo, bongga talaga. Di ko pa napadala sa'yo, Maricar. Sa ano na pag may time na. Di ko alam ano laman, anong pinaglalagay ni mother doon. Yan. Oo. Abangan mo na lang, di ko alam anong laman doon. Si mother ang naglagay. Hindi ko alam eh. Pinadala na, nung isang buwan pa ata yun eh. Ay, hindi, baka, ewan ko kung kailan, pero pinadala na. You want all of this? Yeah, oh, ako din, gusto ko all of it. Kaya lang next time na. Next time na tayo. Mag all of it. All of it daw. Char. Oh. Jilana, we can do this one. Painting. You like painting? You don't want painting? Okay. Oh, okay. Ayaw man yan na. Ano yan si Chrislyn Ubas? Ano yan? Bagong Angels? Bagong Angel ba yan? Chrislyn Ubas o hindi? Angel ba siya? Bago. Okay. Bigyan ko ng Okay, sandali. Okay. Binigyan kita ng jacket. Okay. Mahal niyan eh. I know. I'll take you a picture though. Can I take your picture so I'll give it to Ate Dong? We have to wait for that then. You want that? I already take a picture and give it to Ate Dong. No. Ayan. May bago pala. Yan. Ayan. Abangan mo na lang, Mikay. Pinadala na. Baka mag-text sila sa'yo. Ay, magtawag pala yung taga-pick up. How about this coloring? You want some coloring? You want that? Okay. Yeah, kasi binigay ko yung phone number. At pinadala ko yung araw na hiningi ko yung phone number mo. Yeah, hello, Catherine. Oh, wow. What is that? Let me see. You want that instead? Oh. Hindi niya mapili ang gusto niya. Ang dami kasing laruan, guys. Ang daming pagpipilian. Wala pa si Jilan. Fashion design, I don't think Daddy would like that one. Let's go on the other side. Oh, bad pa ako tuloy. Bad mom daw. This one? This one? You want this instead?